Hi honey bunnies, from my vanity to your FYP, you know what the fuck I came here to do. I'm going to give you guys an eyeshadow tutorial on this look. Come with me. So I have like this black and white outfit I want to wear. This really cute like lace top. And then these are the funky little pants that obviously you can see go with the eyeshadow. And now I'm going to show you guys how I did this. So I took my Sweet Tart Double Shot palette and we used our brush M333. This is more like on the fluffier side. We're just going to go in with the shade Dulce de Leche. It's more of like a lighter tan brown color, I guess you could say. We're going to round it out above the eye. Put it on the outer part. Just to kind of give it some depth. Okay, now that we're done with that, we're going to take the LA Colors Conceal It in the shade white, obviously. And we're going to take a flat brush. You need a flat brush. I feel like I always mention this in my videos, but staple. Just a staple in your makeup to have. So how we're going to do it is we're going to start from the inner corner. Okay. We're going to work our way above the crease of the lid. Okay. Round it out. And don't worry about imperfections. You can always fix that later on. Okay. If you need to go back in and get more and do that, I used quite a bit because I wanted it to be obviously bright. And then once you come to the end tail almost of your brow, you're going to want to curve it out. And you're going to connect the bottom. So I'll show you. Oh. Take this. Almost as if you were doing like eyeliner or whatever. Yep, see? And you're going to connect the two and fill it in. So I just took a little wet nap, put my finger through it, and then carved out the end so it could be a little bit more sharp. So you should get something like this. So I used to have white eyeshadow, but I ended up using it all and it dried out. I like using the Sephora branded pot single eyeshadows. Since we don't have that, we improvise. So we have the NYX Professional Makeup Can't Stop, Won't Stop. I know you see, it's a white shade. You're going to end up taking a packer brush, any packer brush you have. I usually have my Morphe one, but I don't know where she went. Anyway, you're going to dip into her. And you're just going to start coating the whole eyelid. And since this is powder, it's going to give you the same effect that it would regular eyeshadow. And just blend it out all over the eye. Now you're just going to take a black eyeliner. I like to use the NYX Epic Ink Liner. And you're just going to follow across the line on the end tail. You're going to end up with something close to this. Then you're going to add some nice fluffy lashes. I'm going to finish the face and I'm going to come back and show you guys the final look.